This is a new, long-awaited venture for you, isn't it?
Long awaited, yeah.
This is, you are still a part of Lehua Kalima.
Definitely, yes. Definitely. Still
for-
1/3.
Mm-hmm.
They haven't kicked me out yet. So, yeah, this was just really a side idea that I'd had for a while. And then about 3 years ago, I just felt like it was something I needed to do. And so I asked the two girls if it would be okay with them. And they said, sure, they understood. And let me loose to pursue this. So really, this is an arm that, you know, I haven't really touched before. It's the music that I say is not necessarily Naleo-ish, you know? I mean, it's not weird and it's not like hard rock or anything, but it's kind of more personal songs for me rather than songs that I feel like the three of us could sing and, you know, could perform together. It's kind of just kind of a one-man show kind of thing. So
What is the name of the new release?
it's called Rising in Love.
Where did that come from?
That's actually one of the titles from a song that's on the album. And I was thinking about how the term falling in love is kind of overrated, you know, and it's so, I don't know, it just sounds like a disaster waiting to happen. You know, when you fall, you hurt yourself, and you fall and you break a hip and you can't get up, or you fall off a cliff. And so I thought, you know, when you have that feeling of being in love, to me, it was more like kind of rising.
Not really falling, it's more like flying, rising in love with you. So unexpected, hearts unprotected, dancing around the room. It's easy to hold you now. Your sweet eyes, they show me how.
Flying, your feet are off the ground and you're kind of floating around. So that's how I decided to kind of turn it around. And actually, when I wrote this song, most of the album was already done. And so I kind of, I don't know, wanted to play a trick with myself. And I said, let's see if I can take a word or a phrase from every song that's already on the album and incorporate it into this song. And I actually kind of did. There were about eight or nine like little words or phrases from other songs on the album that I included in the lyrics of this song.
So the title track is a culmination
It
of
sort
all
of
the
is.
works there,
Yeah,
which is actually a culmination of you.
it definitely is a culmination.